In this video, we're gonna show you what a decorative floor coating system looks like. So whenever installing these systems, we always use our 100% solid epoxy. Part A, standard regular cure activator. Part B, and we'll be putting our metallic pigment into our Part B, drill mixing it, and then we're gonna put our Part B in our Part A. The more generous you are in pouring on the floor, the better look, the better depth you'll have in your floor. So to have a beautiful, seamless design, you want to be able to go in at least at 40 square feet per gallon. So it means you're putting about 40 mils of material on the floor. Okay, decorative flooring has become really popular in the market. It's readily used in the retail market. It's used in the residential market. A lot of people are showing a lot of interest in the decorative flooring. So this is the system that we propose when it comes to decorative flooring at ALLPRO.